Hi children, welcome to the today's video session ma. So I hope that you are ready with your textbook ma. So now open page number 18 ma. Okay children. So here are the Indian records and world records for some gems ma. So here in okay ma, the name of the sport ma. What are the sports ma? High jump and long jump for men. Here also high jump and long jump for women ma. So this is the world record ma, and this is Indian record. So for high jump man, Xavier S, he, what is his record ma? 2 meters 45 centimeters. Okay ma. And Indian record is Chandrapal ma, his record is 2 meters 17 centimeters ma. For long jump ma, Mike P, and what is his record ma? His record is 8 meters 95 centimeters. From India, Amrit Pal. So what is his record ma? 8 meters 8 centimeters. But these are women records ma. High jump in women, high jump women ma, women category. World record is Stefka K in women category. And what's her record ma? 2 meter 9 centimeters. From India, Bobby Yema. So what is her record ma? 1 meter 91 centimeters. For long jump in women ma, Gelina C, her record is 7 meters 52 centimeters. Okay ma. Anju G ma, Anju G, her record is 6 meters 83 centimeters. Okay children, so now he gave some questions. We have to find out the answer with the help of this table ma. So let's check the first question. What is the question ma? Read along with me ma. How many centimeters more should Chandrapal? Chandrapal is a Indian player ma. He play high jump ma. Okay ma. Chandrapal jump to equal to the men's world record for high jump. So who hold the men's world record ma? Xavier S hold that one. Who ma? Xavier S hold that record. And he just behind that record ma. So what is his record ma? 2 meters. What is his time ma? 2 meters 45 centimeters. That is his record ma. Whose ma? Xavier's record. And Chandrapal's ma? 2 meters 17 centimeters. Okay children, so what is the question ma? How many centimeters more? How many centimeters more should Chandrapal jump to equal the men's record from the high jump? So how you get ma? By doing subtraction. Okay ma. So 45 minus 17, borrow 1 from 4 ma. So it become 15. 15 minus 7, 8. So 4 become 3 na ma. 3 minus 1, 2. So so what left ma? Only 28 centimeters. If he reached the distance, Chandrapal also reached the 28 centimeters ma. So he got the world record. Okay ma. So what is the answer ma? 28 centimeters. Okay ma. Just he left behind with the 28 centimeters distance ma. Move to the second question children. How many centimeters higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meters? What is her record ma in high jump Bobby A? What is her record? Her record is 1 meter 91 centimeters. How much ma? 1 meter 91 centimeters. This is her record. So to reach 2 meters ma. So 2 meters means, so I will convert this 1 meter 91 centimeters into meters ma, centimeters ma. So 191 centimeters. If you convert this into centimeters, got 191 centimeters. So 2 meters means how many centimeters children? For 1 meter 100 centimeters, 2 meters 200 centimeters. So 200 minus 191. How many ma? So 9 centimeters. So if she jump another 9 centimeters, she will reach 2 meters. Okay ma? So here remember that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So half meter is equals to how much ma? Half of the 100. How much ma? 50 centimeters. Okay children. Move to the third question. Galina's long jump is nearly. How much her long jump, ma? What is her long jump? Her long jump is 7 meters. Okay, ma? 7 meters 52 centimeters. How much, ma? 7 meters 52 centimeters. So that is nearly, which one, ma? That is nearly 7.5 meter. Why? Because 52 is very close to 52. Half meter, nama. Half meter means 52 is close to half meter. Half meter means 50 centimeters, ma. So 52 centimeters is close to 50. So this is the answer. Move to the fourth question, children. Look at the women's world records. What is the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump? Okay, children, go back to the table, ma. The longest jump and world records, ma. So what is the longest jump, ma? 7 meters 52 centimeters, and highest jump is 2 meters 9 centimeters. Okay, children, 7 meter 52 centimeters, here 7 meters 52 centimeters. What is this, ma? This is a long jump record, ma. And high jump record is 2 meters 9 centimeters. So what is the difference, ma? You have to subtract that one. If you borrow, it becomes 12. 12 minus 9, 3, 4, 43. 7 minus 2, 5 meters. So 5 meters 43 centimeters. So what is the answer, children? 5 meters 43 centimeter. Okay, children, move to the fifth question. If Mike P could jump dash centimeters longer, his jump would be full of 9 meters. Would be full 9 meters. So Mike P's jump is how much, ma? 8 meters 95 centimeters. Okay, children. So how much, ma? 8 meters 8 meters 95 centimeters. Okay, children. So if you convert into centimeters, 895 centimeters. So to reach full 9 meters means 9 meters are 900 centimeters if you convert into centimeters. So when you subtract 895 from 900, what you get, ma? You get 5 centimeters. Only 5 centimeters left, ma. If Mike P could jump 5 centimeters longer, his jump would be full 9 meters. Only he left with 5 centimeters. Okay, ma. Move to the sixth one, ma. Whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meters. Very close to 2.5 meters. Whose jump is this one, ma? Observe this one. Xavier's 2 meter 45 centimeters. Chandrapal's 2 meters 17 centimeters. And 2 meters Stefka K is also 2 meters 9 centimeters. Among these three, which is the very closest, ma? Xavier's, ma. So what is the answer, ma? Xavier. Yes. Okay, children. Now move to the page number 19, children. Running exercise. So nowadays people are doing this one, ma, for their health, for many benefits, because running we get many benefits, ma. Running exercise. So the doctor has told Devi Prasad, what he told to Devi Prasad, ma? To run 2 kilometers every day. How much, ma? 2 kilometers to stay fit. So the doctor suggest him to run 2 kilometers every day to stay fit. He took 1 round of this field. This is his field, ma. So he took 1 round. He took 1 round of this field. How far did he run? Look at this one, ma. The field in which shape, ma? It is a square shape. This is a square shape, ma. So 500 meters length. Okay, all four sides are 500 meters. So how far did he run, ma? So 500 plus 500 plus 500 plus 500. So total how much, children? So 2000 meters. How far did he run, ma? 2000 meters. That means 2000 meters means how many kilometers, children? 2 kilometers. So what is his doctor suggest, ma? His doctor suggest him to run 2 kilometers. So like this he took a one round, that means he completed 2 kilometers. Okay, children, the field was very far. Obviously fields are very far from our houses, nama, from his home. So he chose the park. This is the park, ma. This is the park, children. This is the park. He chose the park. So the park is nearby to his house, ma. The boundary of the park was, look, what is the shape, ma? This is a circular shape. What is the boundary, ma? That is 400 meters, ma. The boundary is 400 meters long. So how many rounds of the park must Devi Prasad run to complete 2 kilometers? So 2 kilometers, if you convert into meters, 2 kilometers is equal to how much, children? 2000 meters. Okay, ma. So for one round he complete 400 meters. So for how many rounds he will complete 2000 meters, ma? Just divide 2000 by 400. 5s are 2000. Okay, children. So how many rounds you need to complete, ma? 5 rounds. How many, children? 5 rounds he need to complete. So move to the next one. One day the weather was very good and a cool breeze was blowing. So very pleasant weather was there. He felt so good. Huma Devi Prasad felt so good, and that he kept jogging till got tired after 8 rounds. So how many rounds he completed, children? He completed 8 rounds. How many, ma? 8 rounds. So that day he ran dash kilometers and dash meters. One round, how many, ma? One round, how many? 400 meters. So 8 rounds means 400 into 8. Okay, children. So 800, 800. 8 4s are 32. So how many meters, ma? 3200 meters. 3200 meters. That means how many kilometers, children? 3 kilometers. 200 meters. 3 kilometers. 200 meters. Okay, children. Hey, children, have a look. What is this, ma? This is Qutub Minar, and it is located in Delhi, ma, the capital of our country. Okay, ma. And this is the one of the tallest monument, ma. Okay, ma. How beautiful it is, ma. Look at this one. Really, it is so tall. Okay, children. The Qutub Minar is 72 meters high, ma. How much, ma? 72 meters high. Minar's height is 72 meters. So what is his question, ma? About how many meters high is your classroom? Our classroom, ma, how many, ma? That is, our classroom is, it is about 3 meters, ma. About, our classroom is about 3 meters high. Okay, children. So guess how many rooms, one on the top of the other, will be equal to the Qutub Minar? So what he's asking, ma? So the height of Qutub Minar is meters. 72 meters ma. So guess how many rooms, one on the top of the other. So first room on the top, second room, then third room, then fourth room. Like this one, how many rooms are equal to the Qutub Minar? Equal to the Qutub Minar. You have to find out that one. So one room height is 3 meters. So two rooms means 6 meters. Like you have to find out how many rooms are sufficient to equal to the height of the Qutub Minar. So by doing division we will get that one nama. So 3 divides 72. So how we get the number of rooms ma? By division ma. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 1, bring down 2, you get 12. 3 4s are 12. So if you arrange 24 rooms one on top of other, like this one, if you arrange 24 rooms, then the rooms reach this height ma 72 meters. So how many rooms ma? 24 rooms. Okay children. So explain how you made a guess. How you guess ma? I made a guess. How we made a guess? I made a guess on basis of what we take as basis ma? Height of our classroom. On basis of height of our classroom. So by taking this base only we solve that one ma. We take our classroom height nama, that is about 3 meters. Okay children. Okay children, I hope that you understand this topic ma. Okay, please refer that again. Once again refer that one ma. Okay, we shall meet in the next class children. Have a nice day. Thank you ma.